So some of these slide recordings must be there as what do you call, because I am writing in the course outcome apply also, so that there must be some implementation part also. So fifth semester, and here the 22nd September, lecture 15, other than ODP. So only I think this many is completing this only. This only I have not done today, and I am trying this will be done or not. So it is today. Screen is visible. Tell me first.
Yes, sir.
So that regular expression will be continued throughout the class, and the more pattern matching with regular expression continuing from the previous session. And one slide is also there, what you will call this greedy and non-greedy matching. Not like the greedy and non-greedy algorithm of the DSA and DA. The find all method, there are two methods searching. So regular expression and search. So difference between both, VTU guess question, and this caret, this exponentiation, caret and dollar sign. I'm always remembering from the student life by them the cats and dogs. I have also written in my slides. It is raining in cats and dogs. Musladhar varis ho rahi hai. Why I have written? Because the carrot will come first, dollar will come at last. The cats are in due to their behavior, the dogs are out due to their behavior. Anyway, I will not go into that debate. The wildcat character review of reject symbol, the case sensitive matching. So this way, start enjoying with me, because the command and output both are given here with literature. So optional matching with the question mark. The question mark, if you are learning the Unix, where it represents the single meta character. In Unix, we are calling it meta character. And here in the regular expression also, you want to match only optionally. That is, the regex should find a match whether or not that bit of text is there. That bit of text, better to say that particular character is there. So the question character flags the group that precedes it as an optional part of the pattern. So I'm writing here, making one regular id.compile r bat o and question mark man. For that, here question mark, where the single character may be there or may not be there, the adventure of Batman, the adventures of Batwoman. So here it is showing the Batwoman also, and here also. So question mark, what you have understood by group that precedes is an optional part of the pattern, the any character followed by that. So WO question mark, part of the, I have written the regular expression, means that the pattern WO is an optional group. It may be there, it may not be there. It may or may not optional group. The regex will match text that has 0 instances or 1 instances of WO in it. So this is why regex matches the both Batwoman also, Batman also. Understood? So using the earlier phone number example, you can make the regex look like the phone number that do or do not have an area code. It may not have the area code also. You are giving your question mark, making the group. So this may or may not be there. So this is showing here, my number is this much. So in that group, you can think the question mark as saying here in your regular expression automata theory, you maybe take match 0 or 1 of the group. Match 0 or 1 of the group. So this is to remember, I think. This should I make it bold. Match 0 or 1 of the group preceding this question mark. If you need to match an actual question mark, we know, sir, precede it with the backslash. So again, matching 0 or more with the star. Again, this asterisk symbol in Unix, again, we are calling it meta characters, means match 0 or more. Question mark for 0 or 1, the star for 0 or more. That group precedes the star can occur any number of times in the text. It can keep the completely absent or repeated over and over again. So bat WO may be 0 or more. Bat woman, Batman, bat woman, bat wo man, like that. So that for Batman, the WO part of the regex matches 0 instances of WO. Again, 0 or 1 instances, more instances. And again, if you want to make it regular expression, that where we'll have to search a star also, then you can place it with the backslash. We will go to the next slide. Sai Nikita. Nikita Ishwarna. Nikita Ishwarna.
Yes, sir.
We'll go to the next slide.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So a star 0 or more, question mark, 0 or 1. And to make it literal, we will precede it with the backslash. So plus sign again, 1 or more with the plus. The plus, a star means 0 or more, plus means match 1 or more. Oh, good, no? A star means 0 or more, plus means 1 or more. Question mark 0 or 1. Unlike the star which does not require its group to appear in the match string, the group preceding a plus must appear at least once. It is not optional. It is not like that plus you are giving means it must be once. So here it will be displaying bat woman. 1 or more. 1 or more. Will not match the string the adventures of Batman because at least one wo is required by the plus sign. Okay, so it has not given. I should show here nothing output, no output. Now, so if you have a group that you want to repeat a specific number of times, follow the group in your regex with a number in curly bracket. I have already told that example of regex, ha. But if you are making a laughter, ha, 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 so that ha should appear the 3 times or 4 times, so that you can make. I think we have already given backslash D 3 times for the date format. So, but it will not match ha ha. If you are giving 3 here, no, so 2 occurrence of the ha ha will not be matched. So 3 occurrence of ha 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 or ha 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 or ha 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 will be matched. You can also leave out the first or second number in curly bracket to leave the minimum or maximum unbounded. For example, ha under curly bracket 3 comma will match 3 or more instances, but not less than 3. Ha comma 5 will match 0 to 5 instances. Like that slicing, no? How many times will occur? So here it is very nice. 3 to 5 will match 3 instances of ha, 4 instances of ha, 5 instances. 3 comma 3 or more instances. Comma 5, 0 to 5 instances of ha. Here it is given here. Answer these regular expression also match the identical patterns. 3 to 5. You have given here 3 to 5. And here Piper is also used. So making ha 3 and you are finding here ha ha ha. Okay. But here you are giving here ha. It is giving here none, true, because it has displayed no output because you have fixed here the 3. So matches ha ha ha, not ha, since it does not match ha. For one example, I have given 1 slide. I will move to the next slide. Nikita Ishwarna, Marin Jacob, Jayant will not respond today. Nitish Hegde,
Yes.
Nitish Hegde always joining first with
Good
Isha
morning,
Yes,
Malviya.
sir.
sir.
So only Nitish will be responding me for 1-2 slide. Nitish Hegde.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Jan,
We'll, okay, moving to the next slide.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
So one question may be asked, I'm guessing for your internal IIT second or for the VTU. So greedy and non-greedy matching, and both the examples I have given. How we will fix here the greedy and non-greedy matching? So 3 to 5 can match 3, 4 or 5 instances of ha in the string if you have written ha 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 5 times, wonder why the match object called to the group in the previous curly bracket example returns ha 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 instead of shorter possibilities. After all, 3, 4 occurrence of ha ha are also valid matches to the regular expression ha 3, 5. So Python regular expressions are greedy by default. Repeat this one, I will write here, because in which way you will be getting the better marks by the examiner. Making Python regular expressions are greedy by default, which means that in ambiguous situation they will match the longest string possible. Non-greedy version of the curly bracket which matches the shortest string possible. Here is the difference. Non-greedy which matches the shortest string possible has the closing curly bracket followed by a question mark. So here is the difference. If it is followed by a question mark, it is non-greedy. If it is not, it is greedy. Greedy, which means that all the ambiguous situation, they will match the longest string possible. Non-greedy, making shortest string possible. Question mark can have two meanings in regular expression: declaring a non-greedy match or flagging an optional group, may or may not be. But these meanings are here entirely unrelated. Now here, these are the questions we will coming. Next question, next class will come to how to search the email lines of the files, the find all method and search method, and what is the difference between search and find all. So search, as I know that first blow answer, the search will search for first occurrence of the instance, and find all will try to find all, while search will return the match object of the first match text in the search string, and find all method will return the strings of every match in the search string. So this I am making here the red, so you will be writing the answer in the IIT also, in university also. I have written here so that you are finding here this and 415 work. So it is your cell phone number, and workplace, this is the cell phone number. So mo.group, it is finding 415-555-999. So on the other hand, because you have given here that compiling for the regular expression, in which way to search, you have given here. So find all will return a match object but a list of a string. Another difference, as long as there are no groups in the regular expression, each string in the list is a piece of the search text that match the regular expression. So here see that I have not made any group, so it is displaying all, find all, and if you have given by the search only the first occurrence, because the pattern you have given here only to search, that 3 digits will be there, after that hyphen, again the 3 digits after that hyphen, and then the 4 digits, the USA phone number. The first 3 digits is the area code. Okay, so if there are groups in the regular expression, then find all will return the list of tuples. Yes, list of tuples. Each tuple represent a found match, and each times the match string for each group of the regex. So it is given here. If you are making the group has groups, because here all those, this /d are surrounded within the parenthesis. So yes, all those matches are separated by comma. Yes, they are the groups. So tuples. Now next we'll go. So summarizing the find all method returns, remember the following. What? When called a regex with no groups, such as this one, the method find all returns a list of a string. When the call regex has groups, then it will find this way the comma separated, so that one string returns a list of tuples, the list of tuples, the list of tuples, and here returns a list of strings matched. We'll go to the next slide, Nikita. Nikita Ishwarna or Sai Nikita? Anyone, please?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So now some of the character class, as you have given, the \d is a shorthand for the regular expression representing 0 to 9. This way, 0 to 9 means any of the, not like that in any group of digits, 0 or 1 or 2 or 3, because all are separated by a pipers. So it may be the question here. So there are many such shorthand code classes. First, have a look on there, taken from the book. The \d, any numeric digit, \uppercase D, any character that is not a numeric digit from 0 to 9. Peculiar. \d, any of the digit from 0 to 9. \uppercase D, any character but not the digit. \w, any letter, numeric digit or underscore character, like making the word characters. And \w, any character that is not a letter, numeric digit or the underscore. So other than alphabet, other than numbers, or other than underscore characters. Sometimes we can use this for the variable names. If you are writing a program to check a program, by this logic they have developed the compiler. No, the question was there, so that first compiler was developed or first program was developed. Like that, first the hen hatches the egg, or first hen has taken birth from the egg. पहले मुर्गी अंडा दी या मुर्गी हुआ. So first program was developed or first compiler was developed. There is no answer for that. Like when first police has taken birth or first danda has taken birth. So regular expression. So here, if you are writing a program to check a program, so whether certainly you are checking the variable names, no. So any space, tab or new line character, think of this OH as matching a space characters. So any character that does not have a space, tab or new line. So this you will have to take care. Only D, uppercase D. W, any letter, alphabet, number or underscore. And uppercase W, other than any character, other than alphabet, number or underscore. \S, any space, tab, we can say that the blank spaces, tab spaces or new line character. Think of this an OS matching space characters. Okay, okay. And uppercase, any character that is not a space. Any character that is not a space. So this you will be using this \S when you will be choosing an email address from a file. Show me all the email addresses from a file. That this is a starting and that must contain one @ and not having the blank spaces and having this character and dots. Okay, going to the next. So how to make your own character class? So there are times that you want to match a set of characters, but the shorthand character \D, \W, \S and so on are too broad. So why not to we make in this way? We are the logicians, no, computer programmers. So you define your own character class using the square bracket. For example, I want to check my class making that all the alphabets either in lowercase or uppercase, or all the alphabets which are vowels. So A, E, I, O, U, A, E, I, O, U in uppercase. So we'll match any vowel both in lowercase or uppercase also. So we can make one regex having that this vowel characters either in lowercase or uppercase. Now one sentence we can find all the vowels. Find from the sentence. You are not writing like first year program. Write a program to find all the vowels and even to count the frequency of vowels also. I think 2 years back it was there in C program. A RoboCop eats baby food. Baby food. A RoboCop eats baby food. Baby food. Yes, and it is finding from that regex, and what you have given, find all. So all those A, E, I, O, U, A, E, I, U written in lowercase or uppercase, those all characters will be displayed here. You can also include the range of letters or numbers by using a hyphen. For example, the character class, we will be implementing this one, 01. So roll number, USN is written, name is written from this character to this character. Suppose you have given only text file, not the database, that who have got the marks in first class, means marks greater than equal to 60. That so that you are matching the two characters. So first character is not 0 to 9. The first character is G6 to 9, and after that any character from 0 to 9. So all those lines will be displayed only who has got the 60 plus. So that inside the square bracket, the normal regular expression symbols are not interpreted as such. This means you do not need to escape the inside the square bracket. That is also one. So if within the square bracket, if we are writing sir asterisk, if we are writing question mark, these meta characters, what we are calling this escape characters, or even the parentheses, so those are required to be escaped by backslash. No need. So again I repeat, inside the square bracket, the normal regular expression symbols are not interpreted as such. This means you do not need to escape the dot, asterisk, question mark, or parenthesis, pair of parenthesis characters with a preceding backslash. For example, the character class 0 to 5 will match digit 0 to 5 and a period. You have written 0 to 5 and dot. So any of the number from 0 to 5, and after that any character. Do not need to write as it is 0 to 5 backslash dot. Some beginning of the numbers may be written 1 dot, 2 dot for that. For placing a caret character, caret. So you are taking that in the beginning of the line, the opening bracket, you can make a negative character class. A negative character has, this means here the not beginning, not having this one. So negative character class will match all the characters that are not the character class. So I want to match all those characters which are not vowels. So you are putting here the caret, not. Placing a character after the character class, opening bracket, you can make a negative character class. I should make it red. So here now, instead of matching every vowel, we are matching every character that is not a vowel. Now here is my funny answer, what I have written, that these cats and dogs, the caret and the dollar characters. So use the caret symbol at the start of a regex to indicate that it must occur at the beginning of this. Here my line comes. So caret we are using at the beginning of the search text, this should occur. Likewise, we can put a dollar sign at the end, so that to see that this particular character, so regular expression, must be ending with the regex pattern, must be beginning caret, must be ending dollar. And you can use the caret and dollar together to indicate that the entire string must match the regex. If you are putting in the beginning, so beginning also all those characters, last also, so that entire string must match the regular expression. That is, if it is not enough to match, to be made on the symbol subset of a string. For example, if you are giving a caret hello regular expression, a string match that begins with the hello. So here, begin with hello search, hello world. So here you are giving here, begins with hello search. He said hello, none, because hello is not written in the beginning. So none, true. Double equal to none, true. And it is matching here. Now dollar regular expression string matches a string that end with a numeric character. That end with a numeric character 0 to 9. So now there is no need to write. So now here dollar you have given. So any of the expression ending with a numeric digit, backslash d is given. Your number is 42. What is mobile number? So your number is 42. So it is giving here none. Okay. So 42. So it is not here. 42. So last number is given here. Okay. I will move to the next slide. Should
Yes,
you want to enjoy on the Python also any of the command and the beginning? We will be enjoying, because again the regular expression will be used now to access those lines from the file, whether having the Akanksha Agarwal or Agrawal. Find all the lines, whether the line surname having the Agarwal or Agrawal, again Singh or Sinha, like that. Okay. So, and again we will check the other existence of the file. If it is a student's text file only, having the name USN and marks separated by the delimiter, only a space or tab, So which of the student has got the more than, greater than, equal to 60? So we will be enjoying there also. So this caret backslash d plus dollar regular expression string matches the string that both beginning and end with one or more numeric characters. Plus you have also given, no, so one or more. If it is a star, 0 or more. If it is question mark, 0 or 1, you know that. I am giving the summing up all those characters in the last slide. So whole string number, all the strings are having only the numeric value. How to make the regular expression? Here, beginning also, end also, and one or more numeric digits. So you are searching 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. It is matching. But if you are giving here X, Y, Z in between, it is saying true, means nothing is there, no match. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 equal to none. It is true. Whole string num dot search. So here the last two search calls in the previous interactive cell examples demonstrate how the string must match the regular expression if this caret and the dollar are used. To remember, I have told already, it rains in cats and dogs. Musladhar varsa ho rahi hai. To remind by their own behavior, cats are in, dogs are out. Yes sir, caret comes first, dollar comes last. Caret come in the beginning and dollar will come at last. This way to remember, just encouraging fun for 1 minute, encouraging leisure for 1 minute. And finally, the wildcard characters, not finally, regular expression will be continued in the next class because some one term has come to you before the programming, verbose or not. For that, the dot or dot character in a regular expression is called wildcard and will match any character except for a new line. So dot is good, matching any character except for a new line. Except for the cat in the hat sat on the flat mat. The cat in the hat sat on the flat mat. So 80 is everywhere, no? So all those words will be displayed because you have given in the regular expression, it has to match the dot, any number of at, find all you are giving. So all those strings having that at, it is written here. Dot character in a regular expression is called a wildcard and will match any character. So remember that dot character will match just one character, which is why the match for the text flat on the previous example matched only lat. Okay, to match an actual dot, escape the dot. Yes, I know sir. And why you are giving here the two dots here? Sir, one for backslash dot to precede the backslash and one for to complete the sentence, that is the full stop. We should keep it as full, remove it. So matching everything with the dot star. If you are giving the dot star, then everything. Want to match everything and anything, whether it is the new line character. For example, say you want to match the string first name followed by any and all text followed by last name and then followed by anything again. So you can use the dot star pair. Dot star to stand for that anything. Dot star anything. Dot star anything. Remember that the dot character means any single character except the new line, and the star character means 0 or more of the preceding character. So name regex, you are making that first name dot star, last name dot star. So name X, first name AI, last name Sigurd. So AI Sigurd, it is your textbook writer name. Here AI and Sigurd, group 1 and group 2. And again, greedy and non-greedy, again in there also, the dot star uses only the greedy mode. For example, to get the more marks, you will have to write that. So here you are giving that here less than dot, question mark, greater than. So non-greedy to serve man for dinner, to serve man. Greedy recompiler, greedy regex X. So all you practice and see that both regex roughly translate to match an opening angle bracket followed by anything and finally followed by the closing angle bracket. But the string to serve man for dinner has two possible matches for closing angle bracket. So there are two closing angle bracket, yes, right angle bracket. And the non-greedy version of regex Python matches the shortest possible string to serve man. In the greedy version, Python matches the longest possible string to serve man also for dinner. So here you have given that any of the preceding characters coming here, and here question mark and there. So in which way? Both I did it again. Roughly translate to match any opening angle bracket followed by anything followed by a closing angle bracket. But the string to serve men, because it is opening and closing for dinner, has two possible matches for the closing angle bracket. And matching new line also with the dot character. Dot star matches everything except a new line. By passing re dot all as the second argument, then you can check that dot character match all characters also, even the new line character also. So you are just giving the dot star. So changing here the line, serve the public trust \n, protect the innocent \n, uphold the law, and then you are making the group. Here you are checking with the here dot all, so then it will be displaying all. Nothing is displayed here, dot all. And here dot group, it is showing serve the public trust, protect the innocent, uphold the all. And here you will see that it is showing only serve the public trust. The regex, no new line regex which did not have the dot all passed to the compile. Here it has not passed the re dot all, and that created will match everything only up to the first new line character. Whereas new line regex which did have the dot all passed to the re dot compile, yes, and it will match everything. So this is why the new line regex dot search call match the full string, including its the new line characters. So I think it should be the final slide before the review questions. So here for your reference, to take that question, to write something in your chat box, whether it is asked or not, but one line of the outcome of the today's lecture you are writing. I am just reading here review of the regex symbol. Yes, regular expression symbols. Question mark matches 0 or 1. Asterisk matches 0 or more. Plus matches 1 or more. Under curly bracket, n matches exactly n of the preceding group. N comma matches n or more. Comma m matches 0 to m. N comma m, n to m. N comma m question mark or asterisk question mark or plus question mark performs a non-greedy match of the preceding group, means shortest possible string. Caret span, the string must begin with a spam. A spam dollar means the string must end with a spam. Dot matches any character except new line. D, W, S match a digit, word, space, character respectively. D, digit, word, space. Anything except a digit, except a word, except word means here the alphabet, number and underscore. ABC matches any character written within the square bracket. Here anything, if you are proceeding in that way, it is not working like here this meta character spam here beginning. Here it is means any character that is not in the bracket, caret sign. And here is the review question. You take the any of the review question you take any of the review questions. Sir, I will take only the first question. So no, okay, that your last 3 digit of the roll, divided by 70, not 70, sir. Please remember, Bilbian, you are giving only 10 questions. Okay. So it is divided by the 10. If remainder is 0, you are taking the 10th question. So roll number 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 100, 110 like that, they will be taking the 10th question. And if it is remainder is 1 divided by 10, then you are taking only the first question. So 1, 11, 21, 31, 41, they will be taking that question. How much you are getting fast, so that what will be your question? That question you are taking. And again, I am encouraging, not discouraging. Write the wrong or right, followed by your USN. Class activity starts. You know your USN last 3 digit divided by 10. What is the remainder? That question only you are supposed to take. You are supposed to take that question only. So now it is 9 question only. 9 question only it is there. So that roll number 10, 20 will take what question? 10, 20 will take. I am giving one more question. Is this one. Because all these questions are taken from the book. So let it be 0 to 10. 0 to 9. So if your remainder is 0, you are taking this question. Fine. Starting from 0. Last time to take the snap, your roll number. Nikita Ishwarna, what is your last 3 digit? Nikita Ishwarna,
Yes, sir.
your last 3 digit roll?
110.
110. So you are getting the first question only. Dividing the last 3 digit of USN by 10. And what is the your remainder? That question you are taking in the chat box. It is not like that copied from other chat box and pasting in your chat box. Again, you can wait for that. When the 11 will answer, when the 1 will answer, means roll number ending with the digit 1. So that when the 11, 0, 1, 1 will, 0, 1 will answer, 0, 1, 1 will answer, 2, 1 will answer, 3, 1 will answer, 4, 1 will answer, then I will answer. Like that you can plan. You have taken the snap. I am coming back to the digital classroom. Start. Go ahead. Again, I am putting the question before you. Take the snap. Ajan is there. Ajan. Vishnu Vardhan Reddy. I will be calling the roll call first because I know that I am taking the roll call first here. So Avijit, PG is there. Abhishek is there. So I will take the student list better, no? So it is third sem, please. It is the ADP student list and marks. Here it is the student list. So I am calling one by one and keeping this sheet also so that your roll number will be visited either by the chat box or by the here you are just answering me either by chat box or by mic. Yasha is there. Ji Raghu Babu. Yes. Ji Raghu Babu is there. So why will ask the other alphabetically? It is given here. Avijit PG alphabetical. Avijit PG Abhishek K Aditya M. Ji Raghu Babu. Ganesha Shastri. Ganesha Gangawa Patil. Gauri Smoghe. Guddu Kumar. Everyone is there. So Hardik 069 Hardik 069 is not there. Okay, again all the 3H are not there. Hardik, Harsdhiman, Harsdut. See that. 70, 71, 72. Okay, Hila Sasi, Hirsikesh, Indraja, Isha, Ista Chattopadhyay, Ista Srivastav, Ista Jayant Kumar, Jayant Kumar after Jayant. Vishnu Vardhan Reddy is also there. Sai Nikita, Sai Nikita, okay. K Abhishek, I have seen. Subbi Reddy, Kaushiki Kamana, Kiran R.B. Sajjan. Here, Kiran, Kirti, Sai Krishna, Kritika, Kubham, Kumud, Monisha, Aditya, Monisha, L. Monisha, I'm not seeing L. Monisha. Monisha L.
Yes, sir.
Okay, your name is not appearing here. Okay, L M like
Now,
that.
yeah.
Okay. How are you, Monisha? You are in
I'm
Bangalore
fine.
only?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay, namaste to your parents. Okay.
Yeah, thanks.
Aditya, Manisha, Manikandan, Manpreet. Manpreet will not talk to me today. Manpreet. Changa is he? Manpreet. Manpreet is where? Manpreet is absent. Manu Smriti is there. Manu Smriti, Meera Krishna. Yes. Manu Smriti, Meera. Mehul Sakaria. My best friend. Mehul Sakaria is not there. I'm proud of you. Mehul Sakaria. But anyhow, managed to get the marks, no? Mehul Sakaria. 98. Varsne, Merin Jacob, Aman Khan, Wasim, Monica. Monisha L. Yes. Jigar Jitesh Bhai. One is Mojaiti Student Club. Hello, Mojaiti Student Club. If you are senior alumni, welcome in my class of the 5th semester. Please tell me who is this Mojaiti Student Club. If you are faculty member, welcome.
So that's Manpreet.
Yes.
So that's Manpreet.
Manpreet only. So you are entering by Mojaiti Student Club.
His account is having some problems, sir.
What having the problem? Account having the problem. So that you are using the club account. Anyway, no problem for I'm not making any comment for that. So again, you can find the different meaning. White sir has asked like that. But the students are to join by their account only, no? But if you are joining by the club have the different members, because I am openly, voluntarily welcome all. So Pratik De Prapti here. Pragya Pandey, Prakash Kuikel, Prapti, Prashant Kumares, Pratik De, Pratik Bharuka, Priti Khetan, Priscilla, Abhijit PG, now lateral entry. Monica Nag Mohan, I want to see. I want to see in the attendance list Nag Mohan. Nag Mohan.
Yes, sir.
Nag Mohan is there. Good. Nag Mohan. Ramya, please. Ramya, please, I'm marking you absent. Your marks are also ready. I don't think that you are going in the good. Assignments are not submitted also. Vani is there. Vidya is there. Fine. So now, Ramya, please, Ramya.
Sir, Manpreet said he's having connection issues, so that's why he tried joining from that account.
Who is responding?
Pratik.
Manpreet has told me now, no? Manpreet has already told me.
That's why he left.
But I have not asked why he has left.
Okay, sir.
All of you are my friend first, no? Pratik?
Yes, sir. Best friend.
In first year, you have given me the resolution. Academic friend, who is your best friend academic for 4 years? I am only. Okay, no? So everyone can talk to me friendly first. So this, okay, find all returns the list of a string separated by comma, list, search. Anyway, what you are finding, I have already told that you are writing the full sentence or not, but I am stopping the sharing first. And now it is the time to stop the recording also. If you are left, Hardik now entering his roll number 69. I'm proud of Hardik. Again, Harsh Dhiman is also there. Kumud Sally, please talk to me, Kumud.
Yes, sir.
How are you, Kumud?
Fine, sir.
This
How
time
are
doing
you,
the
sir?
mini project.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Shreya, Kubham Shreya Reddy. Please talk to me, Kubham. Shreya, better to say Shreya. Shreya,
Yes, sir.
so that you don't want to talk to me.
No, sir, nothing like that.
Okay, so like that mini project topic.
I'm actually doing the entrepreneurial project, sir.
Okay, okay. So take care if any of the help is required for any to Kritika. Kritika, please respond me, Kritika.
Yes, sir.
How are you, Kritika?
I'm fine, sir. How are you, sir?
Fine. I'm fine. I'm good. So that mini project topic doing with whom?
Manisha and Monisha, sir.
Manisha and Monisha. Very nice. Okay. So okay, I'm stopping the recording now. All the best. I love you all. Stay safe. Namaste to your parents.